Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday and it is late afternoon and we kind of just got up because, well, I shouldn't say late afternoon, it's early afternoon. It's a little after 2. We got up a little while ago. We had that show last night, so we're kind of tired, but had my first fueling at 12 and now I'm due for my second one. So I figured I would do a little hack for you that my buddy Carolyn gave me, and she got it through another YouTuber named Mallory, so I will link her channel below because this is not my recipe, it's just a hack, and I thought you guys would love it because a lot of people love the blueberry muffin, but they say that it's somewhat dry, so this is a hack that I think everybody will love. And if you're interested in watching what I do with this blueberry muffin, then just keep watching. So what you're gonna need is a packet of the sweet blueberry biscuit, the little ramekin that comes with the blueberry biscuit, and the secret ingredient is a wedge of Laughing Cow. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Laughing Cow and a blueberry biscuit sounds pretty gross, but it's really not, especially if you like cheese Danish. So I am going to be pouring this into the little ramekin that comes with it. So we're going to pour that inside. Okay. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water. And we're going to mix this up, just like the directions say to do. And I have never tried this before. This is just a hack that I learned and passing it along to you. So my taste test will legit be the taste test of truth. Not that they never are truth, they are always truth, but this is going to be a live impression. So I'm stirring this up, and I want to do this really, really well. I don't want to make it lumpy at all. And I'm going to use my hands. I just washed them, so they're clean. Okay. Here's what the batter looks like. Now, in this girl's video, she broke up the cheese, but I want to try it by just putting the whole piece of cheese in there. I don't know, should I break it up? Maybe I should do it like she says to do it. All right, so I'm gonna break this up into little pieces and I'm gonna put it in because that's what she says to do. So we're breaking it up and it's ooey and gooey, and now I'm gonna take my little measuring spoon and I'm just gonna cover the cheese with the batter, just to make sure that it's all in there good. All right, so here we go. This is gonna go into the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. I'm gonna take out my lids, put it in, 1 minute, 15 seconds. And we'll be right back. So here it is, guys. Blueberry muffin with the Laughing Cow broken up inside. I'm gonna show you my taste test. So, blueberry muffin typically people say is dry, but with the added Laughing Cow, you count the Laughing Cow as a condiment. So this is 1 fueling, 1 condiment, and they say it tastes like a cheese Danish. So I'm about to dip in and show you that it doesn't look as dry as normal. Here it is, and I have some cheese, so let's do the taste test. Wow. Holy guacamole. No joke, no joke. This is awesome. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm not kidding you. If you have this, please try this because I cannot get over the moisture in this hack. This is moist. Oh my God. And it tastes like a cheese Danish. This is phenomenal. Guys, I'm gonna go enjoy this. Legit, delicious. Blueberry biscuit, cheese Danish. I don't even know what to say. Should I just finish it on camera? It's so good. I want to start doing more of these hacks. And if I do find some that belong to somebody else, like this one, I will be more than happy to link their channel below, because I'm not going to take credit for anything that I didn't do myself. Hold on. Jess is leaf blowing. Oh my God. I can't stop saying it. But it really is delicious. And this is how you enjoy a fueling hack. Please try this and let me know in the comments below how you like it. Because this is a 10 out of 10, a 20 out of 10. I cannot get over the moisture and the cheese Danish taste. It's just, I'm just shoveling it in, guys. Oh my God. I just want to let you know also that I did use the light Swiss cheese. I didn't use like the garlic herb or anything like that, because I didn't think garlic herb and blueberry would go well together. So this is just light creamy Swiss, Laughing Cow, 1 wedge, 1 condiment, blueberry biscuit fueling. Together, it's a match made in heaven. I'll see you in my next video. Stay focused, guys. Have a great day. Bye.